Hello everyone, welcome back to our session. In this session, we will be mainly learning about how to speak confidently in Telugu, real life practice situations, common mistakes and corrections, fluency tips, and final practice conversations. Okay, so yeah, let's dive into this session. So, building confidence in Telugu, how you can build confidence? As expected, you have to speak daily. Language, you will improve language by speaking it daily. Understood? Do not fear mistakes. It's fine if you make mistakes, it's nothing wrong, but you should not make the same mistake again. You can make new mistakes, but you should not repeat the same mistakes. And do not fear to make mistakes. You should learn from your mistakes, okay? And listen and repeat. How you can do this? Either you can talk with people who knows Telugu, or you can also watch movies, news channels, everything. If you want, you can watch it with subtitles so you can understand what they are talking. Listen and try to repeat. Understand the sentences and then repeat. And obviously practice with people. You should practice having little conversations in Telugu so that you will improve your language. Next, common mistakes that we do. Basic common mistake is wrong tense usage. Like you will use present tense, where you have to use future tense. So those are common mistakes. So you have to learn tenses. And word order mistakes, like you will be misplacing the order of the words. If you have to say, for example, padala kramam tappu, right? This means word order mistakes. But if you say padala tappu kramam, you still get the meaning, but it's wrong. So, as you know, in Telugu, sentence structure, you have to follow that and try to make less mistakes on that part, because word order is important. Next, pronunciation errors. Like instead of saying ucharana, you say ucharana. So there, the pronunciation is completely wrong, and sometimes it may change the meaning of the word. So you have to pronounce correctly. So basic mistakes these are. Okay. With practice, you will overcome all these things. And overusing English. So when you don't know, we obviously do that. That when you don't know how to take words from Telugu, then we switch to English. Right. So try to do that less. Do not overuse English. Already in Telugu, we use a lot of English words. So try to talk in Telugu using a little bit of English words, but do not use complete English sentences to complete your sentence. Okay. Only then you will get properly how to talk in Telugu. Next, few fluency phrases. Please speak slowly. How to say that? We've already learned this in previous lectures. Please speak slowly. దయచేసి నెమ్మదిగా మాట్లాడండి. దయచేసి నెమ్మదిగా మాట్లాడండి. దయచేసి నెమ్మదిగా మాట్లాడండి. And right now you are learning Telugu, right? So how you will say that? నేను తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. నేను తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. And how to say, please correct me? If you are speaking with Telugu with mistakes and you are asking the other person who knows already Telugu that please correct me if I am wrong, how will you say that in Telugu? దయచేసి నన్ను సరిచేయండి. దయచేసి నన్ను సరిచేయండి. That means please correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. Next, like you go to market, because other places like office and everything, mostly English is used in a professional setting. But if we are talking about not so professional setting, which is like you're going to market to buy vegetables or anything, right? Then the vendors might not know English, so you have to use Telugu there. So how, so basic language that you use in market. So you want to buy a product, and you want to know the price of it. So how to ask how much is this? We have already learned this in previous lecture when we are learning about markets and how market language and everything. You will say idi enta, idi enta. For suppose I have a lip balm, I went to buy it and I don't know the price of it. So I'll go and ask that idi enta, how much is this? Idi enta, idi enta. And for example, they said it is 300 or 400. Just example. So, but you cannot afford that much because it's very pricey for a lip balm. So you're asking them, reduce the price. So you're bargaining here. How you'll say that? Dara tagginchandi. Dara tagginchandi. Dara tagginchandi. Here dara is price. Tagginchandi is reduce. So you are asking them to reduce the price, right? Dara tagginchandi. And they have reduced the price. They are okay. And you are saying, I will buy this. How will you say that? నేను ఇది కొనుగోలు చేస్తాను. నేను ఇది కొనుగోలు చేస్తాను. Or else నేను ఇది కొంటాను. నేను ఇది కొంటాను. So let's repeat again. What is, how much is this? ఇది ఎంత? ఇది ఎంత? Reduce the price. ధర తగ్గించండి. ధర తగ్గించండి. I will buy this. నేను ఇది కొనుగోలు చేస్తాను. నేను ఇది కొనుగోలు చేస్తాను. Or else నేను ఇది కొంటాను. నేను ఇది కొంటాను. And like for example, you're working in an office and they don't know English. Then you have to learn Telugu there. So how to say I understood? What you are saying is I already understood what you are saying. Okay. So I'll say that నాకు అర్థమయ్యింది. నాకు అర్థమయ్యింది. నాకు అర్థమయ్యింది. Please explain again. So now you didn't understand. So you're asking them to please explain again. How will you say that? మళ్ళీ వివరించండి. మళ్ళీ వివరించండి. Here మళ్ళీ is again. వివరించండి, explain. And if you want to add please also, then you use దయచేసి. దయచేసి మళ్ళీ వివరించండి. Or you can also say మళ్ళీ వివరించండి is also fine. Next, you understood what they said and they gave you work and you are saying I will complete the work. How will you say that? నేను పని పూర్తి చేస్తాను. నేను పని పూర్తి చేస్తాను. Here నేను is I, పని work, పూర్తి is complete, చేస్తాను is will. Okay. So you are saying నేను పని పూర్తి చేస్తాను. That means you will complete your work. I will complete the work. And you're traveling and you don't know the place. So So you are asking, where is this place? Where is this place? ఈ స్థలం ఎక్కడ ఉంది? స్థలం is place. ఈ స్థలం ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఈ స్థలం ఎక్కడ ఉంది? How far is it? How far is it? ఇది ఎంత దూరం? ఇది ఎంత దూరం? And you are saying, thank you for helping. సహాయం చేసినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. సహాయం చేసినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. So what is, where is this place? ఈ స్థలం ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఈ స్థలం ఎక్కడ ఉంది? How far is it? ఇది ఎంత దూరం? ఇది ఎంత దూరం? Thank you for helping is సహాయం చేసినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. సహాయం చేసినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. And let's practice. Someone is questioning you, for example your parents, because you are learning Telugu and you are seeing videos again and again. So your parents are obviously curious and they are asking you, are you learning Telugu? So how to say that in Telugu? మీరు తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటున్నారా? మీరు తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటున్నారా? See, here I am splitting word by word so that you can understand. Now in general we say, మీరు తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటున్నారా? Like that, it will go fast. But here I am explaining you word by word so that you will get the correct pronunciation. మీరు తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటున్నారా? మీరు తెలుగు నేర్చుకుంటున్నారా? So you are saying, yes, I am practicing daily. I will say that, అవును, నేను రోజు సాధన చేస్తున్నాను. నేను రోజు సాధన చేస్తున్నాను. So here sadhana is practice. చేస్తున్నాను is continuous tense. Practicing. సాధన చేస్తున్నాను is practicing. అవును, నేను రోజు సాధన చేస్తున్నాను. So how to like I am giving you a practice plan. First, speak for 10 minutes daily so that you will know where you are doing mistakes. You will also know how to correct them and you will practice the pronunciation. Okay. Next, 10 minutes listening. 10 minutes listening. Either watch a movie or any videos about in Telugu, or if you want to know official Telugu language, then go for news. And 10 minutes reading. Since I haven't taught you how to read, let's skip that. So stick with listening and speaking and use Telugu in daily life. Try to talk daily. Like when we are learning English, that's what they say, right? Even if you make mistake, it's fine. You talk daily. That's how we got to know how to talk English, right? In schools, we used to make a lot of mistakes in English, right? How to speak. But now, after years of practice, now for me especially, I am now able to talk in English, which I feel good. So practice daily. Try to talk in Telugu so that you will get fluency. And that's all for today's session. All the best. You can do it. And I believe in you guys. Thank you so much. Dhanyavadalu.